There are thousands of ways in which a story can be told. A movie usually have a start, a middle, and an end.
कह दिया ना, बस कह दिया.
It is called the narrative model, which divides the entire movie or a story into three parts. Act 1, which is the setup part, Act 2, where the confrontation happen, and Act 3, which is also known as the ending or the resolution part. All these acts are known as the 3-act structure. So, how does a 3-act structure work?
You want to tell an engaging story, and automatically, almost instinctively, it follows a certain kind of structure, and they generally fall into a 3-act structure.
This is Anvita Dutt, a screenplay writer and a director, who's going to talk about the 3-act structure.
They say that inciting incident should come at the end of the first act. You have something that happens that changes the journey of the hero. So like somebody who said that what you do in the first act is you chase the hero of your story up a tree. In the second act, you throw stones at the hero. And in the third act, you bring the hero down from the tree. So that's a very basic way of breaking down how it works. The actual storytelling happens before you bring craft into it.
The 3-act structure isn't a formula, so screenwriters define it either by opposing it or by following it. Let me break down another story of a movie that a lot of us can relate to. Like this, I don't know कि ये मैं आप लोगों को क्यों बता रही हूँ, because ये story तो हम सभी को पता है. Let's take you on a. This leaves the audience to see what they can expect over the course of the movie. This is where we move to Act 2. और इसी एक्ट में सिमरन जाती है अपने घर और अपनी फैमिली के साथ शेयर करती है अपनी लव लाइफ. सिमरन के डैड ये सुनते हैं और एज एक्सपेक्टेड ही सेज नो फॉर अ लव मैरिज. द फैमिली रिटर्न्स टू पंजाब. इसी बीच में राज को सिमरन के लिए अपना प्यार याद आता है और वो भी चल पड़ते हैं पंजाब. दिस इज वेयर वी सी द कैरेक्टर्स हैव द क्लियर गोल एंड टेक्स अ स्टेप टू अचीव दोस गोल्स. राज पंजाब आते ही दोस्ती करते हैं सिमरन के होने वाले हस्बैंड से. इन सब में राज सिमरन के घर में वेडिंग प्रिपरेशन में भी हेल्प करते हैं एंड सोन ही विंस ओवर एवरीवन्स हार्ट. The characters spend Act 2 going deeper into the story. So Act 3, where the resolution happens. We see Raj's dad suddenly appearing in the family. By now, even Simran's father is won over. But suddenly we see characters reaching their lowest point. This is when Simran's father sees a photograph of Raj and Simran, and Raj's true identity is revealed. As Raj is preparing to leave, Kuljit comes and beats him up for playing games with him. In the final scene, we see the story reaching its highest point, where after all the fight, Simran's father realizes and he allows Simran to leave with Raj. So with this, we see Act 3 coming to an end, and we see the loose ends are being tied together. So if you know the rules, it's easier to surprise your audiences. There are certain expectations to every rule, but you have to master the act structure first.